didn't bring my sparklers.
Oh, mine was.
Oh, well.
Whoa! No, that's pretty cool. Now.
I'm recording. Come over here.
Well, that was happening over there, guys. I hope he's not going to shoot at you. I know. Come here. Dad, don't be silly.
That's got to be right.
Oh, he's silly. They tell you never to do that, don't they?
Dad, don't be stupid.
Do it.
I'll give you £50 if you do it.
You don't know what you're going to do next, do you? You might blow up.
What a plonker. You know what's not fire now.
Why is it blue?
Was it really? I thought he was going to shoot off rockets and stuff.
No, I said we could try like that. It's a good thing it didn't shoot off rockets. Ooh, is that good now?
It's going to set everything on fire now.
Yeah.
Who put that in?
Jason!
Sean.
You were the one who said put the plant pot down there. Why did you... I didn't know.
That's a good one.
Sugar car. Oh, sugar car.
That's going to come down close to me.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
She's in the shop.
Damn.
I don't get it.
Oh, it's funny.
Twenty-three, 24, 25.
Yeah.